Certainly a morning to try to put the snow tires on if you can. Conditions are certainly adverse in parts of the Denver metro area. So we have our Chris Spears, who has been checking on the roads this morning. And I know you're live near the foothills, I-70 and Morrison. It looks white there.
It is a winter wonderland once again here, Britt. I want to show you down here a CDOT plow coming by. Eddie and I have been noticing there are 4 plows, and they are just kind of making loops from right here at the exit we are at. This is where the park and rides are. Then they go back down the hill to just past the interchange of C470, and then they turn around and come back. And I believe they are doing that simply just to keep things moving because this incline has been pretty bad at times. There are passenger laws and chain restrictions for commercial vehicles in effect up here. It's cold. The mobile weather lab is now showing 11.9 degrees. That is almost 70 degrees colder than the upper 70s we had on Saturday. About 65, 66 degrees colder than that record high on Saturday. Britt, we're giving you a wide view here. Now that we have a little daylight, you could definitely see all of the snow on the ground. Only about 2 inches, but it's this temperature drop combined with the freezing drizzle and now the snow that is making westbound I-70 a pretty slow drive headed into the foothills.
It really is a stunning wintry scene. Chris, thank you so much for showing us a look.
Let's have a peek along I-25 on the south side of the metro area. That's where Michaela White is right now. Michaela?
Hey guys, good morning. Yes, I want to say that it has eased up quite a bit in the past hour, half hour, snow-wise, thankfully. But I want to give you a live look at the conditions. I'm going to step behind the camera here. Give me a second. My gear is actually so cold that it is freezing. So you can see along I-25 and Ridgegate Parkway here. Things appear to be moving pretty smoothly, but there is pretty low visibility here. But again, we just want to caution drivers that if you are headed out this morning, it is very, very cold. At last check here in Lone Tree, it was 12 degrees, guys. So burr, that's all I have to say is burr, burr, burr. For now, we are live in Lone Tree. Michaela White covering Colorado First.
Yeah, as I like to say, this one will put a burr in your saddle. All right. Thank you, Michaela.